with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you. If you are new here, because some of y'all's be new. If you new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with a pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. So we're going to be heading to Walmart today. For my midweek, I need 18 offers for $5. I'll be tracking towards that larger bonus as well. Originally I needed 50 offers for that. So hopefully I might just be able to knock that one out this time around, which will be cool. I did put up a short this morning on the old El Paso. That's a Fetch Reward deal. And I'm going to try to do more shorts for you guys because sometimes I really don't want to put out a whole video. I might just want to be, look here, look at this real quick, you know? And so I'm going to try to do more shorts in the future, but I did put up a short this morning about this deal on Fetch. It is not going to last. I wouldn't be surprised if it's dead already. I did it this morning. I went to Vons because Vons is the closest store to me, and they open at 6. And so I went and did that before I took Josiah to school, and it was perfect. That deal worked out perfectly for me. So I'm hoping that you guys are able to get out and do that deal. Let me know in the comments if you did that deal, because y'all know those fire deals always go fast, and all you can do is try to get it as soon as you can. And so with that being said, I do have some new deals to share with y'all today. I have some things I'm gonna try, because y'all know your girl, I likes to try stuff. Y'all know I likes to try stuff. Does it always work out? No. Does it work out sometime? Yes, I'm always gonna try. All right. And so I did try some things today. If you want to see what your girl try, what work, what didn't work, definitely keep on watching. With that being said, we're gonna head into Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl, you already know what to do. Hit the like button and keep on watching.
So this first deal is on the Thai pie. It's on these little packs. They're priced at $4.23. These 2 different flavors. Now, just FYI, I did this and I did not get credit on for Walmart rewards. I came back and repurchased it again, and I got credit and just returned the previous set. But they're priced at $4.23 for this. We're grabbing a total of 2 of them. That total is going to come to $8.46. You'll get back $7.20 through Walmart rewards, making them only 63 cents each. All right, next up is the Barilla Pesto, priced at $3.38 for this. We are getting back $1.50 on Checkout 51, $1.50 on Easybucks, and $1.25 on Merryfield, making that an 87-cent moneymaker. Next deal here, I did put up a short on this morning on the old El Paso. This offer did pop up on Fetch Reward. It's 1,000 points for every dollar spent, limit of 3. Everything they have are the tortillas, which are priced at $1.98. So if you grab one of those, you'll get that back through Fetch. You can grab the shells, tortillas, or the bowls. Now, I did do this deal at Vons this morning. I grabbed the Carb Advantage ones. They were priced at $5.49. Now, I grabbed those because I had a 5 off of 20 coupon on my Vons app. So I grabbed 4 of them. I paid $16.96. And then I got that back through Fetch. Now, I had 2 additional offers. One was $1.30 when you spend 5, limit of 3. So I got that back times 3. And then I had one that was $4 back when you. I paid $16.96 and I got back $24, almost $25, which made it like a $7 moneymaker, which is so awesome. And I know this deal's not gonna last, so I would do curbside pickup, just so that way you can get it in before it's done. So this next deal is on the Weathers Originals. On the Chewy Caramel, I finally found them. One of y'all said, check the seasonal aisle. And I was just like, duh, there are little leaves on it. They do look a little seasonal. And so they're priced at $3.96 for this. We're grabbing 2 of them. We'll end up paying $9.96 out of pocket. We'll get back 6 on Easybucks. You're buying 2, and a total of $2.50 on Checkout 51 as well. Making them only 73 cents per bag. Next up is the Sour Punch Bites. They are on rollback for $2.88, getting back $1 on Checkout 51 and $1 on Easybucks, makes that only 88 cents. So I was really surprised to see that the Airwick did reset for me on Ibotta. I bet these fall scents smell really, really good. But I was surprised that it reset. I told you guys it was this one here. I'll show you on the other side where they are, because they're over there. that are on clearance. Rollback, miniature special. I don't know. Aren't they all the same? Is the one with the pie on it right here. The baked cinnamon apple. Yeah, this one right here is it's $2.50. Let me show you the UPC in case you want to check. All right, so I grabbed 2 of these at $2.50. Now for this, I did have a P&G $5 coupon, so I used that. So I didn't pay anything. And then I got back $3.50 on Ibotta, 2 different offers, $2 for one, I think $1.50 for 2, and so it made this a $3.50 moneymaker. So the next thing that I grabbed was the Febreze, the small spaces. They have some that are priced at $3.24. Getting back $2 for Walmart rewards makes it only $1.24. And of course, I'm doing the all free and clear fabric sheets, the 80 count, priced at $3.74. We're using this $2 hang tag that we found on the liquids over yonder. Or that coupon is going to make it $1.74. We'll get back 75 cents on it, but I'm making this only 99 cents. So next up is the Voltaren. It's the arthritis pain gel. It's priced at $8.88. So we're going to be grabbing a total of 2 of these. That total is going to come to $17.76. Getting back $10 for buying 2 on Easybucks. There is 2 different offers on Checkout 51. One is $2.50 limit of 1, and one is $1.80 limit of 5. So we're going to get 1 of each. So that'll be $4.30 from Checkout 51. We'll get back $2.50 for each on Ibotta, making them a $1.54 moneymaker. All right, next up is the Nivea Men. It's priced at $4.77. Now for this, I did try to use the $2 printable from coupons.com. It didn't scan for me in self-checkout. I might try it with regular cashier, but sometimes these lines be stupid long and I don't be wanting to wait for them to tell me no. And so you can just grab 1 at $4.77, get back 2 on Ibotta, and then 2 on one of the sister apps will make it only 77 cents. I was really hoping that coupon was going to scan dead ass because I was going to grab 4. And so, yeah. All right, next up we have the Schick razors. So we have the Hydro Silk here. It's priced at $6.78. We did get $3 printables on coupons.com. So you would pay $3.78, get back 3 on Ibotta, make that 78 cents. And then for the Skintimate, $6.27, $3 coupon, pay $3.27, get back 3, makes that 27 cents. Skintimate is limit of 1, Hydro Silk limit of 2. And then the Extreme down here is priced at $6.78, $3 printable, coupons.com, pay $3.78, get back 3, makes it 78 cents, limit of 2. All right, y'all, so look, I was waiting for this to pop up on Ibotta, and it just did. On the Florister Babies, it's priced at $17.97. Now, last time I did this deal, it did work on all 3. So, of course, your girl has to try it again. And so we're going to grab 1 at $17.97. If it works and we get back the $8 on Ibotta, Easybucks, and Checkout 51, it'll make this a $6.03 moneymaker. So I will let you know how it works out. We're over here. The A&D Antimicrobial is priced at $7.32. Now for this, we're getting back $3.50 on Ibotta, $2 on Fetch. If you haven't did the aisle offer for 50% back, which is $3.66, it would make this $8.84 moneymaker for you. I believe there might be still an offer for this one here for $2 back and then 50% back on Ibotta. If they are still both valid on aisle, I will definitely have the links in the description. All right, y'all, listen. This is my complete haul for today. This worked out so good. This is a super awesome haul. Let me mention the Old Spice and the Rockstar. One of you guys hit me up yesterday and let me know about this deal at Dollar Tree. The Old Spice, we have $2 offers on Ibotta. It is G wording because that does not scan on Ibotta. And so I grabbed 1 at $1.25, or I'll grab 2 of them rather, at $2.50 and got back $4 on Ibotta. So $1.50 moneymaker for both of those. Won't reset for me until later today, so I probably won't do it again until tomorrow if it resets. Rockstars are $2.50 for 2 of them, getting back $2 on Checkout 51. It is working for that offer. I did it on my account as well as Joseph's account. I'm making them only 25 cents each. I did mention the El Paso
One of you guys let me know about there being an offer on Ibotta, and I have $1 back for each one, so it actually ended up making all 4 of those free plus like an $11 moneymaker, which is so awesome. And I'm super excited to try the carb ones, because yeah, your girl is, I be doing the most sometimes, and so I try to cut wherever I can. I did mention the Thai Pay. The first set that I got did not go through on Walmart Rewards. I contacted support via chat through the app. He refunded me one of my transactions that I did, which was those chocolates a long time ago. Not a long time ago, but a month ago maybe. And I used OTC cards with that. So he had refunded it to 3 different cards and plus the balance to my PayPal card, which is only like 126 or something like that. I was like, I don't have those cards no more. Anyways, he gave me 5 off of 10. I ended up returning them and I repurchased another set, and though that went straight through. The Febreze went straight through, same transaction. You can see the razors that did reset for me. I did it yesterday and I did it again today. I'm using $4 printables. I will pop up the coupon that I'm using. I told you it's Knox, meaning it doesn't expire. I've been using that in self-checkout. But we do have $3 coupons on coupons.com. I did the pestle twice for Merryfield. That offer does expire today. The limit was 3. The Voltaren, that was in the wrong spot because I know originally on my Google Doc, they were supposed to be like 10 something. And when I got there, I was like, oh crap, they're cheaper, even better deal. But when I went up there, they scanned for $10.98 still. I went back and took a picture, came back up, and I showed the cashier. She did price modify it for me, but they were actually in the wrong spot. That was the spot for the Equate brand, but she did still price match them for, our price modify them for $8.88, which was really cool. Because I know she probably didn't have to do that, but they were in the wrong spot, and I already had got 2, and there was like 5 already there still. So it's like they were all put in the wrong spot. It wasn't like just a couple. I did mention the Febreze. I did use a PNG OTC card. With that transaction, it took off the 5, and I did still get back the $3.50 on Ibotta. I told you guys I did that some weeks ago, the Dawn Power Wash, and I did it for Walmart Rewards, and it worked as well. So you can stack the OTCs with Ibotta and Walmart Rewards. Well, I would feel like you could anyways because the OTCs pop up at the bottom under payment. It's not like it pops up right after the product like the coupons do. The Flora Store, that went straight through on checkout 51. It's in review on Bucks, and so I'll let you know how that works out. If I only get it back just for the Ibotta, and the checkout 51 offer still makes it like $197, I want to say, or something like that, which is still not necessarily bad. But last time I did get credit on all 3. Everything you see here reaches $170.46. We had $42 in coupons. That does include that $5 PNG OTC card. That brought the out of pocket down to $128.46, and then we're getting back $56 from Ibotta, $25.50 from Bucks. Checkout 51 is $25.30 between 2 accounts. PayPal, we did cash out for $11.94. Swagbucks is $10.50. Walmart Rewards was $9.20. And last but not least, Merryfield was $2.84. So getting back $165.65 makes everything that you see here free plus a $37.19 moneymaker. Really quick with Brandclub, there is surveys for, I think all of these products have surveys for them, but I've just been doing surveys every day. I do 3 a day, and right now I think all I'm doing now is 35 and 40 cent ones, but there are Brandclub surveys for a lot of these products, so definitely check that. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. In the comments, I want to see, let me see a cake. Let me see a cake or a pie in the comments if you made it to the end. And I will see you in the next video.